All right, guys, here we have a 2020 Landrover Evoke. It's got a 2.0 liter turbocharged engine here. It's got a really infamous, real common engine rattle. We're gonna listen to it right now. Go ahead. All right, you kind of hear it still kind of rattle. It was really bad when you initially started, and it still kind of maintains a slight rattle to it. We're gonna tear this down. Nick's gonna get in here, tear it all apart. We're gonna bring in and show you what's failed, and we'll continue on from there, okay? All right, we're back on this 2020 Landrover Evoke here. You guys got to hear the rattle on the cold start. So Nick's got it broke down. He's got his timing tools on it right now. So this phaser right here and this phaser right here is what's causing the rattle. The chain looked good. Nothing else had any issues, but you were able to turn this camshaft sprocket back and forth and the chain doesn't move, which tells me this thing failed. I'll give you a closer look at it. But he's got it lined up for timing right now. But I'll show you the parts we have here that we're going back with. So, all right, there's one of the sprockets. If you want the part number on it, go ahead. You can take them. And timing is on the back of the motor. So this is one of the tensioners that he's going to replace. It goes through the cover. This should be the sprocket bolt and the phaser changer right here. Changes right here. There's a magnet that pushes on this that phases it. We have two of those, one per side. They should be the exact same part number. There should be a difference. There you go. Okay. Then the actual sprockets itself. This is just the timing cover gasket right here. Okay. And then they actually have the two sprockets. Take a look at these sprockets here. Where's it made at? It say made in Poland. Poland. Both of these are made in Poland. So take a look at this. This is one of the sprockets right here. This is the intake sprocket right here. I'll crack open for you. So right here. So what happens? He was able to move this sprocket because inside of it the spring broke, and then here's the exhaust sprocket right here. Okay. And the chain was fine. There was no stretch in the chain. It looked good. The guys looked good. We looked at it. So this is all it needs right here to take care of this problem. So here's the exhaust sprocket right here. So Nick will take care of that tomorrow, most likely. He'll knock that out, and then we'll listen to it. We'll get the camera in here. We'll listen to it, see how it sounds. Had a pretty nasty rattle. So, all right, we're back on this Landrover. Let's see if she's fixed. All right, fire her up. You be the judge. We'll put the two clips next to each other, but it sounds pretty good to me. So it looks like we got this one fixed. To the next one. See ya.